Question 9. Which of these following angles cannot be constructed using a protractor, a compass, and a sharpened pencil? A. 195 degree, B. 90 degree, C. 145 degree, and D. 60 degree. Wow, this particular question, those in GS1, GS2, and GS3 can actually answer this question correctly and they'll get the answer absolutely. Looking at these angles, we should recall that in a classical construction with protractor, a compass, and a sharpened pencil, angle 60 can be constructed, angle 45 can be constructed, angle 90 can also be constructed, and angle 135. This angle 135 is same thing as 90 degree plus 45. We can construct this, we can construct this, we can construct this. But 145 degree is not constructible. So, which is going to be our answer? Which of these following angles cannot be constructed using a protractor? Actually, our final answer is what? Is C. Because in a classical construction with protractor, compass, and a sharpened pencil, we cannot construct angle 145 degree. Question 10. Find the number of permutations of the letter of the word school. A. 600, B. 360, C. 480, D. 300. Wow, this is very simple. First thing that we have to do is that let's write out this school. This is my school. Then, how many letters do we have in school? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have what? 6 letters. If you look at these letters carefully, which letter is repeated more than one times is what? Is O. So O is repeated how many times? 2 times. So now if you want to do the permutation is same thing as what? The permutation of this kind of problem is equal to what? How many letters do we have in school? We have 6 letters. That is, you're going to have 6 factorial over how many letters is repeated? O is repeated how many times? 2 times. Write your 2 factorial. And 6 factorial is same thing as 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And 2 factorial is same thing as what? 2 times 1. What will happen? This cancel out this. So this is equal to 6 times 5, 30. 30 times 4, that is 120. And 120 times 3, that is 360. So we have 360. So the permutation of the letters of the word school is same thing as what? 360. That is option B.